And here we go. Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, let me actually add, okay, hang on. Give me a second, guys. In this video, we're gonna be actually talking about. I'm actually thinking of taking a trade there, so that's what I was, planning to tell you guys. See here, we are getting this ABC correction. It's like good volume there coming in. Time frame is it 5 minutes, right? See, so we can actually get like really good upside movement as well. For now I think it's a b c d e pattern, but like I can actually add one position there, and it's like it's taking support from this fourth wave. So yeah, let's take one trade there. One trade, but like was actually thinking, hang on, let me explain it clearly. Yeah. So um, what I was thinking here, see this trend line that we drew, market bounce back, so third wave completed there. So this is your fourth wave, right? So fourth wave can be A, B, C, D, E pattern, or it could be just A, B, C, right? So we still have to see that, like, okay, if this is your, there's gonna be this pullback there, and we can actually take one trade there. Um, see where it's happening on this trend line. Why it's not loading? Okay, hang on. Okay, yeah. So if I take a trade there, I'm gonna have to put a stop loss there. But I'm actually anticipating this E wave to complete there. You know, there's gonna be another wave, because it's forming the structure of one, two, three, four, five, right? Uh, A, B, C, D. E, basically, that's the pattern there. But it's going in this direction where it's like impulsive wave down. I mean that's this. So there's gonna be another one more wave down. That's where we'll take trade there. So I'll actually put a limit order there, yeah, at this trend line. At which time, I think let's do the time analysis here as well. So um, so guys, I'm gonna apply a very simple time analysis concept. I don't know if you guys know about it, but let's see. Yeah. Date range. Yeah. Okay, here. So if I take this impulse down move, or okay, let's go to 15 minutes. That's where we analyze. Okay. So this wave got completed there, and I think our, yeah, short profit got executed there, right? So yeah, this wave completed there. So let me actually run my date range uh, from here to there, one candle back, and you have 26 bar. So calculator, 26 square root plus 1 square, 37, 37, and then 26 square root plus 2 square, so 50.39, 50.39, which is your 50. That's the, all right. So guys, I think like it's in the completion phase of this around that time, so we'll see some action there. And I think at wavy as completes there. we will take some trade there. Okay. I think it's gonna come back and test around here again and like pull back. So we'll see. Mm. So on 1 minute we dipped down there. So yeah, it's around here. And if I'm gonna take a trade, my stop loss would be around here, and my take profit will be around there. So this is 1:2 trade. Hmm. All right. There's gonna be one. This wave is gonna take more times because 1, 2, 3. So you see 15 minutes. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. So your fourth wave is actually like this. So I think it's gonna make this. In second wave it made A B C. So in fourth wave it's gonna make A B C D E. Okay. Um, let's see. Technically speaking, it already like made come something like this. See, if I take this as A B C D E, it would, but like yeah, let's see from the wave perspective. Because I was thinking of taking a trade right now. If I execute and okay, let's take one trade and then I'll add another one later on. One trade. Okay, one trade got executed. I'll put my stop loss there. 2700. 2700. I was mine. Sorry. So my stop loss will be 2700. And my take profit will be, what is it? 2787. 2787. Profit is 57. So that's 1:2 trade. Okay. That's what it is. Now I'll take another trade on the pullback around here, which is 2712. 2712. If I go to this time here, it's 2714. limit order 2714, take profit will be again the same there on that, and I'll take one Ethereum there. So stop loss I wanna put the same as this 2700, 2700, and then take profit is gonna be up that much. So this is your 1:3 trade, I think. Yeah. All right. So I put my limit order there, right? And let's see. So I'll put it here. Long position there I took. Here on stop loss. That's my profit target. So I'm risking $22, $29 to make $57, which is, yeah, it's 1:2. And if it comes back there, right, I have another limit order there at 2714, which is gonna execute. Okay. So I think it's gonna complete that wave, like ABCD wave that I was telling you. Um, and then we're gonna start moving upside again. Hmm. Yeah, see the market is going down, so this is gonna be our it's gonna pull back around here, and then it's gonna take good upward bounce. It can very well come to this point. So if I go to 1 minute chart, I think in 1 minute chart we are making this. It came to this value area back to it. So C2705. So it did came back all the way down there, right? I If you remember from the last video, I was telling it to take short. Oh, sorry, yeah. In the last video there was no audio, so I actually made a mistake, like and this trade got executed, like which gave us good profit. Yesterday I was planning this trade, and I took a trade. So here, if you see, that's the open active position. At this trade that I took, it gave good profit there. And I have in the live streaming, I was like talking about it, but the audio wasn't working that time. So anyway, in that one, I was also planning the short trade there, because the wave five work got completed, right? So wave four of this, like larger wave, that was the plan, right? So wave four of this larger wave, you know, we're making it, and so I shorted there in the trade there. If you show you paper trading, I shorted there. See, I think it's still in short. Yeah, yeah. I didn't put profit there, huh? Profit target. Ah, yeah, profit target is there. So my profit target is there. Let's see if it reaches that or not. So we are up $56 profit. Um, let's see. So what I will do, I will move my stop to here now. I will move my stop to break even now. move my stop to break even. Okay, so it at least gonna give us $3 profit. All right. So yeah, um, 5 minutes. A B C D E, and my profit target is there. So for profit target projection, I can also run this. So if suppose this is my, if suppose that's where the wave end, what I will do, I will take this Fibonacci extension, and you see the 2841 is the profit target for this one, because this is the fifth wave. So this fifth wave is gonna be of this one, right? So what you can do is actually you can take the length of this. So what I will do is just check this out. Okay, whatever percentage it is, see how much percentage it is. 6.98%, right? So what I will do, I will get this to this here, copy it, paste it, move it around here, and suppose my wave 4 gets completed around there. So that's my profit target right there, right? um, which is also coinciding around there. So if this wave completes around there, you know, which I think it is, well, my stop loss is gonna hit. But suppose it hits around there, like suppose my stop loss don't get hit, that's my profit target there for fifth wave, right? Market is already bullish, and and yeah, so I can actually modify it to 2841. Might take profit there, 2841, 2841, $111 profit, and here as well, 2841, 2841. All right, so let's see what happens, guys. Yeah, guys, I have a course on Udemy. If you guys want to check it out, I put a coupon there. um, like here in the video you can see the coupon. uh, you can follow along as well. This way, I don't want to change my plan there. Okay, and so here as well, A, B, C, climb like, and there. So this was the trade I was thinking, like, taking, and I exited. But like, in the second video, I think there's no sound there. Let me see. Um, this one. Yeah, the video is also not good. I think like, yeah, it got uh yeah, hang up there. I was just closing it like this. Anyway, I will here I was like updating the, the profit that I got, the execution that I got in the mail, and then I updated the shade daily trade sheet, and then yeah, doing the analysis again. So I was doing the, yeah. Let's just cut the losses, guys. Yeah. Yeah, there's voice there. Okay. Why? No. Okay, anyway. So I was actually planning this C A B C D E wave, and that's what's going on. A B C D E. So like we got to this like trend line, and that's where like it's taking this like support there. So we will we will see a reaction to the upside, and that's what the trade is about. This trade that's going on, right? Let's see if it's hit or target or not. So yeah. um okay. Hmm. So on 1 minute, uh you see the chart in 1 minute, what's going on there. Hmm. I need to think of like scaling into the trade later on. So if this wave is complete, suppose this fourth wave is complete there, which is not right now. I mean, I will actually add on to the trend line breakout trade there. So this trend line that I have, I'm gonna draw it now on the close. I'll draw it on the close. Okay. So from there to this trend line, and another one is okay. Yeah. So on this breakout, right, there's gonna be one good big candle comes in and like this, which is coming right now, and I think there's gonna be one more wave to the down, which I can add on to it on the D wave. So let's see on the E wave, okay. And but apart from that, if this wave gets complete, I'll have another trend line, which for the breakout it will give me this like really nice trade. I think this was yeah, this yeah, this okay. Yeah. So we are up $6 here. Trade is going good. So let's see. Hmm. So on this trend line breakout, where we'll have what will be the the what will be the action? I think action is gonna be like this, where like you have like this, and then as we have this trend line there, like this, we'll see the breakout of that, and that's where the big move is gonna come. So yeah, let's see. Hmm. Good volume is coming in the market now. Let's see the trade. That's where I have put the target actually for fifth wave. And how much is 1:4 trade? Okay. And guys, I think market is good. So, if I go to daily time frame, what we can see is it's really uptrending. So basically, it tried to break above. You see, it made new high there. So basically, it's gonna try to make new high again, and we'll see some action there. Okay, on 4 hour, after target got reached here, it's accumulating here, backing up action. So it could take time around here, but I think it's a third wave, right? So for this one, it's a third wave. So if I see one, two, three, four, five, uh, you know, yeah. So here it was for this one. It's like one, two, three, four, five, complete. That was my first wave. Sorry, yeah. Second wave, third wave. So we are in third wave of this one, right? So this is my first wave, second, third wave is coming, fourth wave, fifth wave. So my third wave can go up to this, right? Fourth wave will come back around here, pull back later on, and then it will ready to move upside there on the fifth wave. And here on the third wave, it's this pattern is going on, waves within waves. So we had one, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. This could very well end the wave, but like this looks like to me like one. This whole thing looks like one. Okay, anyway, I think if okay, if it's taking resistance there, then it's like this is for fifth wave. Then this is the okay. This is the count. But as we know, the third wave is not a smaller wave than wave one or wave five. So basically, this third wave will be bigger than this. So what I can anticipate is my uh, first wave is there, second wave is there. Okay, completed. Um, Third wave. Actually, that's why I do it on close. It's much more easier. That's my first wave. That's my second wave. That's that's my first wave. That's my second wave, and my third wave is gonna be coming here. Okay. Um yeah, third wave is gonna be much bigger. Yeah, and it's gonna go to this target there on the third wave there. So fourth wave is gonna be like that, and fifth wave is finally gonna complete there. So whoa, what happened there? Okay. Hmm. So let's see, guys. It has to overcome this high. I mean, it already did. Did it made new RSI high though? Yeah, it did made. Yeah, it did made new RSI high. New momentum high, meaning there's gonna be more follow through of the make high, right? One hour. What's the analysis on 1 hour? 1 hour still we got the resistance there. So we had selling climax. 1 hour. This was the structure in 1 hour. Selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test, and a strength. Backing up action there. We took one trade there, right? That was the trade that we took yesterday, isn't it? Yeah, 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 yeah. So we rode this wave. Now it's in 1 hour the down wave got started, right? So it might take support from here, but which wave it is? Oh, it's fifth wave of the 1 hour wave. All right. So fifth wave has already got completed, guys. Yeah, that means it can retrace a lot actually. How's my trade going? Yeah, it can retrace a lot actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I should close the position. Yeah, because like I'm anticipating this like backing up action, you know, but it's gonna take like a lot of retracement. I think yeah. See, it's gonna retrace the whole thing here. Let's see though. I have a limit order placed there, so we'll see how it goes. I have limit order placed there, so this trend line will get followed or not. We'll see. Yeah. All right, guys. So that's it for this video, and I'm gonna actually update the you know give you update on the channel as well. So we'll see how it goes, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.